Hey boys and girls, happy Wednesday. Miss Tigner's here to teach you another phonics lesson for today. Our learning target is I can use the ending of words to help me read and understand new words and phrases. Yesterday we began to talk about adding word endings to make new words. We talked about when adding ed, the endings of words. And when we add ed, the action has already happened. You have already done this. So here's some words with the ed ending. When we add ed to watch, we say watched. My sentence was I watched Frozen yesterday. I already did that. I already watched Frozen. My next sentence is walk. When I add ed, I will say walked. I walked my dog outside as my sentence. So I already walked my dog. I already did that. It already happened. My next word is finish. And when I add ed, I will say finished. In your sentence, you can say, I finished my schoolwork. I finished it. I already did that. It's already finished. My next word is help. When I add ed, I will say helped. And my sentence I used yesterday was my mom helped me with my schoolwork. So I'm saying my mom already helped me. It already happened. She already helped me. Today we're going to talk about word endings with ing. When we say ing, we're saying that we already did this. We are doing this right now. So in my sentence run, when I add ing, I will say running. And my sentence I'm using, I am running. So you can run in place right now. You are running. You are doing this action right now, running. My next word is read. When I add ing, I will say reading. I am reading a book is how I'm using reading in my sentence. So you are reading your book right now. You are reading it. It is taking place right now. My next word is play. When I add ing, I will say playing. I'm going to use my word playing in a sentence. I am playing with Play-Doh. So I'm saying right now, I am playing with Play-Doh. I am doing this action right now. Playing. So I'm going to say those words again. So when I add ing to run, I will say running. When I add ing to read, I will say reading. When I add ing to play, I will say playing. Okay, boys and girls, your assignment for today is to write 2 other words that end in ing. And for your challenge, Ms. Tigner has been adding these challenges this week, is to pick one of those words with ing and write it in a sentence. I cannot wait to hear what words you come up with. I hope you have a great day, boys and girls.